Fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Instagram. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then click on the three bars at the top right corner. Click on Settings. Click on Account. Scroll down and click on Mobile Data Use. So if Data Saver is turned on, make sure to turn it off. If Data Saver is turned on, video won't load in advance to help you use less data, and this means your video might be of bad quality. Make sure Media Upload Quality, Upload at Highest Quality feature is turned on. Another reason your Instagram story might be of bad video quality is if you have a bad Wi-Fi network while uploading the video. So make sure that you have a good connection while uploading your video. This is how to fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.